Hello, my name is Alexis Bob Freeman, and this is my presentation for the Adams County, Iowa website. So, what the website used to, or actually looks like, I wish it didn't look like it anymore, is this. So, I noticed that there was a lot of information that was scattered all around. For example, here in the footer, there's a lot of information that probably doesn't need to be there. And then it's pretty hard to find what you need in this page. It just, I don't know, I think the menu is a little bit confusing, the wording is a little bit weird. So anyway, I redesigned this website, and I have two views. I have the phone or mobile view, and then the desktop view. I did a lot of usability testing, and this is what I came up with. So here it is. This is the mobile view for the homepage of my Adams County, Iowa website. So as you can see, I highlighted all the information, or the important information, I guess, with the orange squares. Little quick links to the cities in the county, and how do I kind of like frequently asked questions links over here. And I minimized the footer as well, so that users can just click on hours or click on holiday closings, and they can just access those that important information by clicking on them instead of listing all of it over here. So for example, if I'm a user and I have a question about registering to vote, I can just click on that, and then it will directly just direct me to the election information, where here as well I highlighted the important information in orange, and all of the links to find what you need, or what you potentially will need, is in blue and underlined as well. So it's pretty simple to find, and it's pretty general that a link would be blue and underlined as well. So as you can see, you can find all the information that we need, and I try to find the best way to organize it as well. Going to the driver's license test, this was a pretty heavy in text, pretty heavy page in text. So what I try to do is just add some images, as well as, for example, here with the office hours and our location, which is what most people will be looking for when they come to a page like this. I just place them in a little rectangle that would let people know that they're right there, and it's just easier to find them that way. In the gallery page, you'll find a summary of the Adams County history, as well as an image gallery over here, in which you can just click on next or go back as well, and it will let you know where you are out of the 25 pictures. You will also find a caption to each one of the pictures as well. And in case you wanted to actually go to the URL where these pictures were found, you can just click on this and it will take you there. And finally, the permits page. The permits, it was a long list of permits that are given, so I just decided to do some buttons, so that way they're easy to find, and you can just click on there and download them from there. And there's a county zoning map. If you want to have more interaction with the map, then you can click on this link, and it will take you to the map where you can just browse around and find everything that you need. So that was the mobile design, and this is the desktop design. It looks very similar. Everything The colors and fonts are of course the same, but fonts are a little bit bigger on this one, and I had to make some different arrangements so that it would fit better in the bigger page. I'm just gonna go through them quickly because we have pretty much already seen them, but I do want you to see how I arranged them. So I initially had all the pictures scattered around, and after some user testing, the feedback that I got was that it was a little bit all over the place. So I opted to do this kind of, what is it called? You're probably thinking of what I'm trying to say, but this kind of look that it takes you forward and backwards from the pictures that you want to look at. Sorry, I can't think of the word. Here's the permits page. And the footer, I kept it the same, even though I have more space in the desktop. It was just really big to list everything, so I just did it simply like this. And if you click on the link, on the logo or on the title, it will take you back to the homepage. So yeah. Oh, and here is a quick search button as well as in the mobile, so that users, no matter what page they are, they can just quickly search for whatever they need easily. So yeah, this was my presentation. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear your feedback. Bye.